Hi mate, it's Ryan, Ideal.
Hello mate, how we doing?
Yeah, I'm good, you?
Sweet as a nut, mate.
Yeah, I was going to say, can I book a concrete pouring for ASAP?
Yep, no worries pal, what you needing?
It's about 12 cube.
Not a problem, where's it going to?
It was going to
And is it a foot in or a slab?
footing. Footings have been passed first things. I've just booked concrete from Mix. They're going to try and get there today. If not today, it'll be first thing tomorrow morning, which is a result. And we'll have that concrete, get a material list, and the brickies can start that job in Cholton this week. And we're literally off now to go and get some decking samples for a landscaping job on the back end of an extension in Eccles. So we're going to pick a few samples up, drop them to the client, and let them make a choice on them. So we just swap vehicles because I'm going to pick up some materials for the other gangs and drop it to their jobs. But we've literally just gone through the decking with the customer and what type she wants. So she's gone for a mill board, and it's a bit like a burnt black, which will look really nice against the black bifolds. So I'm actually looking forward to installing that. And she's going for a nice Indian stone patio, which will look nice again with like a candle grey. So the contrasting colours will look really well. You need out, gear-wise. Yeah. I've got fucking loads of deliveries to do, so I'm gonna swap vans. What is it? Yeah, all that in the middle, yeah, comes out. Yeah. So there's steel going across. There's a steel that ties in this and goes down there. And there's a steel that ties in this one and takes that wall. 3 steels. Not all the way, about halfway to that second set of brickwork is. Yeah. Nah, I'll sit on the brickwork there somewhere. These ones not that bad, mate. These ones really. No.
When's them 2 windows coming in there?
I'll ring him in a minute now and chase him up. Should be this week. He said this early this week, so it should be either today or tomorrow. Yeah. You'll have that pretty much finished on it tomorrow, won't you? Won't be far out of here. That's our one. I knew we had a silver lock. That's how long it's been since I've been here. I've just sent all the lads. Fucking stinks in there, man, doesn't it? Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm not getting all them out, look at that.
What are we after and what is it stuck under?
I'm after that piece of steel there, and it's fucking stuck under all that gear. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to ring John from Bradwell now, and I'm going to go and pick one up from Eccles. So I am not pulling all that out. To be honest with you, I might be able to get it actually. Oh. Oh. Fucking that's heavy, that, mate. Well, that piece that's on the bottom as well. I'm not going to get that out of there. Nah. Ah, me back. Ah, shit. Twat. Oh. Ah, he's getting locked up, brother. And I've got to go MKM for Mike. Let's see what he wants.
Fold enough irons and knob. Going to the shed on a concrete base.
Why can't the shed go on the flagging?
She wants it fixed to a concrete base.
You fix the flagging though?
That's where I want to go through last time with you. The step on the back going down. That still needs to be done it.
Yeah.
I priced for the gas fire. I told him I'm not doing it. Boarding the loft out. I'm gonna see can we get fucking Owen to come up there and do it.
Right.
Get gas to start him off and he can do it, can't he?
Yeah.
Front door, rock door. We'll try to get Aaron to sort that out.
Yeah. On the YouTube video, the new apprentice, isn't it, Mike? The new joiner. I tell you, this part of the job, I absolutely hate picking materials up. It just gives me anxiety and stresses me out. I just want to be on the tools working. Go on, dickhead. So basically we've just picked up all the skirts, the arcs, we picked up some door casings and some plant-ons for a job over in Crescent. I was going to pick up another steel for hand forth, but I couldn't be asked pulling out my lock-up. There was just all the gear was in the way, so I'm just going to let Wayne go and buy 2 steels now from Bradwell over in Eccles while he's there, and he can take them over to the job to install them. So that's it for Monday today. We have had the building inspector over, he's passed the footings today, and Luke's just finishing off some of the final bits, and we've got concrete booked first thing in the morning, so this footage should be ready for bricklayers by mid-morning tomorrow. So we are pouring the concrete today over on the Cheltenham project. We've just started it, we've got another 7 cube on the van. We're going to get this in all troweled up and then we're going to get back over to the other Cheltenham job and start a knock through. So that's it, the pouring concrete this morning. Wayne's coming over to get a material list so we get all his bricks ordered, trench block, everything he needs. We're going to get some ready mix mortar ordered to be delivered. So we're about to head over to the other project, which is a stone throw away, and we're going to start getting on with some steels and ripping out an old kitchen. Bosh! We're at Cheltenham on the other project in Cheltenham, and we are taking down this old outbuilding. We're going to be breaking out this floor. We're going to then get this brickwork prop ready for 2 steels to go in. So we're just getting the rest of the walls down today. Luke's going to be getting the floor out. We're going to be prepping the steels, getting the acros and strong boys in, so tomorrow everything's smooth and we get the steels in. How's that? How's that? Good morning. It's another day, another dollar. We are doing steels today. over in Cholton. We've ripped down the old outbuilding yesterday. We've got all the steels in place. We've got a genie arriving. Strong boys and acros are coming from the yard, and we're going to try and get as many steels as we can in today. We've also, the ready mix mortar's being delivered to site over on the other Cholton project, so that we can start the brickwork on that tomorrow. And I'm just going to set out some stud work, quick time, for the joiners, just showing where everything's going, and then I'm heading back over to Cholton. So stay tuned. So we've got the ready mix mortar coming this second. That's where we're in now. I'm gonna drop a lad here to start loading this footing out for tomorrow morning, and we're gonna get all this set up to DPC. And as you can see, the footing's absolutely level and proper smooth. It's gonna be a pleasure working on that tomorrow. It's gonna be a good, nice little footing to work on that, isn't it, mate? So that's a wrap for today. We've got the both steels in, propped and patched, so the house is safe. We've worked a bit late tonight. I'm going over in the morning. I'm going to set out the other steel for the lads, prop it all. I'm going to let them drop the brickwork whilst around because I'm literally around the corner. I'm going to start the footing and get the brickwork up to DPC around there. So it should be a nice, busy, interesting day tomorrow. See you all then. It's Thursday morning and we are heading over to Cholton today. We are back over on the project where we dug the footings out, and we are setting the brickwork out to get it all up to DPC. The mortar got delivered yesterday and all the bricks have been delivered, so we're going to have a good day. I'm parking my ass on one job and I'm not moving all day because I've been driving around here, there and everywhere all week and it's done me head in. So I'm turning my phone off. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Oh, there we are. So that's us finished for today. We have got the brickwork all the way around up to DPC. On the gable end, we have both corners built and ready to run in the morning. We've just had ready mix and dropped 2 more tubs of ready mix mortar off to us, so we are good to go tomorrow. Chris is getting in nice and early before we do to start loading out, and Luke's turning up with a load of stone to just stone up around the edges. So we'll be good to go on this. We'll be flying tomorrow. We are over in Cholton and We are going to run this brickwork gable in today. The lads are setting out, loading out all the sides, getting the mortar in, and then we're going to get cracking on in a minute. Oops. Yeah, we're going to get cracking on in a minute, start getting this in. We've got 2 tubs of mortar to get through, so we should be done for about 1 or 2 o'clock today. And we're going to head over to help the other lads over on the other side, clean up and install the last couple of pieces of steel. So stay tuned. So that's us done for today, this week. We've got all the brickwork up on this side. We've got more booked in for Monday morning, and that's us done. And we've just cleaned up, packed up, and we're going home. So if you like this video this week, subscribe, like, and comment. Cheers.